Welcome to building your first Tauri desktop application. In this lesson, you'll create a simple Hello World app using Tauri with React and Tailwind CSS. Tauri lets you build lightweight, secure desktop apps using web technologies. Let's get started. Before we start, let's make sure you have Rust and Node.js installed. Tauri needs Rust for the backend and Node.js for the front-end tooling. Great! Both Rust and Node.js are installed. We're ready to create our Hello World. We'll use npm create tauri-app to scaffold our project. We're selecting the React TypeScript template for a modern setup. The scaffolding creates a project with both front-end and back-end code. The src folder has React components, and src Tauri has the Rust backend. Let's look at the default App.tsx file. We'll modify this to display our Hello World message. Now let's edit App.tsx to create our Hello World message. We'll use Tailwind CSS classes for beautiful styling. We're using Tailwind's utility classes, Flex for layout, text6xl for large text, and a gradient background for a nice visual effect. Our Hello World component is now ready. The code is simple, but demonstrates how React and Tailwind work together in a tauri-app. Here's our Hello World Tauri app running as a native desktop window. The app displays our styled message with a beautiful gradient background. Congratulations! You've built your first Tauri desktop application. It's lightweight, fast, and cross-platform thanks to Tauri's Rust backend. Congratulations! You've created your first Tauri Hello World application. You learned how to scaffold a Tauri project, modify the React component for your UI, and run the app as a native desktop application. Tauri combines the power of Rust with web technologies to create fast, secure, and lightweight desktop apps. Keep exploring Tauri to build more complex applications.